Hello, welcome. I'm myself Kiran. Today we will learn about strict and loose equality operator in JavaScript. Loose equality operator in JavaScript is denoted using two equals, okay, and strict equality operator is denoted using three equals, okay. The definition of loose equality operator is it compares only the values, not the type, okay. And strict equality operator it compares both values and type, okay. Come, let us understand these operators by some examples. Okay, I will consider one example. One double equals string one. Okay, here we are using loose equality operator, and this one string one. Here values are same. Okay, this loose equality operator will check only the values, not the type. Okay, we will run it to check the output. Open with live server. It's an extension where we can run our JavaScript or HTML code in the browser. Okay, there is nothing to see here. So this web page is empty, but we can see in the console. So press F12 in your keyboard. We will open the console. So we are getting the answer as true. The reason is this one and this one, the values are same. Loose equality operator compares only the values, not the type. It doesn't care about the type. Here the type of one is number. Here the type of one is string. Loose equality operator doesn't care about the type. It cares only about the values. Okay, so we are getting the answer as true. Let us consider one more example, same example with strict equality operator. Okay, here you can see it's a strict equality operator because we are using three equal sign. Okay, because we are using three equals. Here the type of, here first consider the value. What the value? What about the value? Value is same. Okay, what about the type? One, this number is there, no? One, this type is number. Okay, this string is there, no? Its type is string. Okay, type mismatch. Okay, strict equality operator will compare both the value, okay, as well as type. Here the type is same, but here the value is same. Okay, type is not same, so it will return false. I think you understood the definition now. Loose equality operator will compare both the values and type. If both the values and type are same, then it will return true, or else it will return false, Okay, come let us see in the browser what's the output. Let us refresh it. You can see it's a false. Okay, so we came to know how the loose equality and strict equality operator works. I will consider some more examples, okay, for better understanding. 1 triple equals 1. Now the answer comes out to be true. You guessed it correct, guys. Here the one type of this operand is also a number. Type of this operand is also number, and the value of this operand is also 1, and the value of this operand is also 1. So the result comes out to be true. Okay, let me refresh the page. You can see here the answer comes out to be true. Okay, I will consider one more example. 1 double equals 1. Okay, answer comes out to be true because this is a loose equality operator. Okay, value of this operand is also 1, value of this operand is also 1. If this operator won't, this lose equality operator won't check the type, so the answer comes out to be true because the values are same. No, let us check in the browser. See here, the answer is true. Okay, now let us consider one more example. Let me check how you guys can answer this. 0 is equal to false. Okay, this operand is there, no? The value is 0. For this operand also value is 0. False is there, no? This operand value is also 0. You can ask me how? Because lose equality operator is there, no? It will support type coercion. I will type here type coercion. Just a second. Type coercion. Type coercion is nothing but converting data type from one data type to another data type. Here this is a false. Okay, this is nothing but boolean. The data type of false is boolean. Okay, this is converted to 0. Okay, false is converted to 0 because of type coercion. Okay, this lose equality operator will support this type coercion, so it is getting converted internally. It is done by JavaScript. Okay, so what we get here is 0 double equals 0. This means both the operand values are same. Okay, the result comes out to be true. Now let us see in the browser. Okay, you can see here this one comes out to be true. I hope you can see here. Sorry for that. Okay, you can see here the result comes out to be true. Okay, the same thing I will execute using strict equality operator. Okay, now the answer comes out to be false because the strict equality operator is there, no? It won't support type coercion. That is, false, which is a boolean, is not converted to 0. False will be remained as false only. So here the type mismatch is there. This operand type is number. This operand type is boolean. There is a type mismatch, so the answer comes out to be false. Okay, let us check here. I will refresh it. See here, 16, line number 16 in the script.js file, the answer is false. Okay, see here, script.js file 16, line number 16, the answer comes out to be false. Okay, yeah, I will consider one more example. Okay, log empty string is equal to 0. Okay, what might be the answer, guys? Guess it. You have 5 seconds time with you. Yes, I hope you guessed it correct. This lose equality operator will support type coercion, as I told. So this empty string is there, no? It is converted to 0 here. As a result, what we get is 0. As a result, what we get is 0 double equals 0. Okay, so value of both operands are same. Lose equality operator will check only the values, not the type. So the answer comes out to be true. Okay, and this lose equality operator will also support, as I told, support type coercion. Due to the type coercion only, this empty string is there, no, it's converted to 0. Okay, let us check in the browser. Let me refresh the browser. See here, the answer is coming out to be true. Okay, what I told was correct. Next, let us consider this example also. Same example with strict equality operator. Okay, as I told, the strict equality operator will not support type coercion. Type coercion in the sense data type is not converted from, that is, one data type is not converted to another data type. Here, this empty string is, this type is string. Okay, this number, this 0 is there, no, its type is number. There is no conversion supported, that is, there is no type coercion supported by this operator, no strict equality operator. Due to this, this string is not converted to 0 in this case. So due to this, operand type is string, this operand type is number. There is a type mismatch. Due to this, strict equality operator will return false. Okay, let us check in the browser. See here, what we are getting as false. Okay, and there is one good, what is the good practice, whether to choose loose equality operator or strict equality operator. Good practice is use a strict equality operator. Okay, kindly use strict equality operator, avoid using loose equality operator. Thank you, have a nice day.